watched the initial video on the correct pronunciation of names, do well to click on the link in the description box below to watch it. First word is this. Michael. Michael. Did you notice a difference in the spelling? I used to misspell that word as this, but upon the research of this video, I learned the correct spelling. Same as this word, Rachel. Rachel. The next word is this. Noah. Noah. Not Noah, but Noah. It has a triphthong sound, Noah. The last word is this. This word is tricky because it has two pronunciations. The first pronunciation is Stephen, Stephen, or Stephen, Stephen. But the first pronunciation, which is Stephen, is the most common Anglophone pronunciation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye for now.